Are you a graduate and looking to upskill yourself? You are at the right path. Hey everyone, I am Bhargav and you are watching TechTM. Without any further delay, let's get started. In this video, we are exploring about Swayam portal. Let's divide this video into two parts. First part, exploring Swayam and registration. What is Swayam? The abbreviation of Swayam is Steady Webs of Active Learning for Young Aspiring Minds. Swayam is an Indian government portal for massive open online course platform providing educational courses for students. Swayam was formed on 9 July 2017. Swayam is an initiative by the Ministry of Education, Government of India. Swayam is designed to achieve three cardinal principles of education policy, which is access, equity and quality. Why to choose Swayam? Find free courses from the best university, learn at your own place, anytime, anywhere, earn certifications and recognition from the top universities. Swayam enables students to earn university credits and get them transferred to your degree. Swayam integrated with top institutions like AICTE, CEC, IGNOU, IIMB, NCERT, NIOS, NPTEL, UGC and others. Courses offered through Swayam: Arts and Humanities, Management and Commerce, Science, Social Sciences, Engineering and Technology, Architecture and Planning, and many more. Now registration part. To register into Swayam portal, open browser and search for the website www.swayam.gov.in and open the website Swayam Central. Click on sign up/register button. On the next page, we can use either Microsoft account or Google account, or we can manually sign up. Click on sign up button. Create a username. You can also include your name here. Create a password. Confirm the same password. Enter your email address. Click on send verification code. After the verification code is sent, copy the code and enter it in the box and click on verify code. Once the code gets verified, our account gets created. Second part, enrolling into a course. To enroll into a course, open a web browser and search for the website www.swayam.gov.in. Open the website Swayam Central. Click on sign in/register tab. Fill the username and password and click on sign in. To enroll into a course, click on all courses tab. Search for the desired course and click on join button and fill the basic details. Name. Give the complete name as it appears in the certificate. Fill the mobile number. Age group, gender, country residing in currently, pin code, profession, higher qualification which you have completed recently, year of graduation, ABC ID. If you have ABC ID, type the ID number. If not, select I don't have or I don't need ABC ID. Part of Swayam local chapter. To check whether your college is a local partner, click on the link in the description and search your college name. If your college name is registered in Swayam, then select yes. If not, no. Local chapter state. Fill the state in which your college is located. College name. Fill your college name. College roll number. Fill your college roll number. Degree. Fill your presently pursuing degree. Select the department from the drop down. Study year. Select the appropriate study of year and click on the tick marks. I agree to Swayam terms of service and I agree to follow the honor code and click on the save button. After clicking the save button, you can see thank you pop up. Hence, we are successfully enrolled into a course. To track the enrollment course list, go to home page. Then go to my courses in the drop down. Here you can see the list of courses enrolled. If you have any queries, do comment in the comment section. And also, if you want a dedicated video on completion of course, do let me know in the comment section. I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.